Hello friends, welcome to Happy Institute YouTube channel. Happy Institute is one among the leading institutes imparting training in stenography. The institute in the last 35 years has helped hundreds of aspirants of government jobs in fulfilling their dreams. Students of this institute have secured top ranks in various All India competitive exams held by UPSC, SSC, DSSB, IBPS, and other recruitment agencies and are working in almost every department of Government of India, be it Ministry of External Affairs, Railway Board, Home Ministry, Election Commission of India, Income Tax Department, CBI, and other prestigious organizations like Supreme Court and High Court. We also publish happy speed dictations for developing speed with passages meticulously selected from latest topics with practical phrases and simpler outlines. This book has become the most prominent choice of almost every reputed institute, teacher, and student of stenography in a short span of time. The proof of its popularity is that in the last 3.5 years, more than 25,000 copies have been sold all over India. We have now launched a series of legal dictations to help aspirants who have to appear in skill test of Punjab and Haryana High Court on 27th February 2022. The dictation is released every day at 1 p.m. on Happy Institute YouTube channel. The students are requested to write and transcribe this dictation and compare with the original passage given in the description more than once if required. Please like and share every dictation that you write and subscribe to Happy Institute YouTube channel. Get ready for dictation, please. 5 seconds. Start. The OA filed by the appellants raised issues falling within the jurisdiction of the NGT under section 14 since it relates to the implementation of the SWM rules full stop. The SWM rules have been notified pursuant to the powers conferred by sections 3, 6 and 25 of the Environment Protection Act 1986, which is entry 5 in schedule 1 of the NGT Act. Stop. None of the prayers sought by the appellants are of a nature that cannot be granted by the NGT in accordance with its powers under section 15(1) of the NGT Act. Full stop. The OA was being continuously heard by the Western Zone branch of the NGT since August 2014 and it had already issued significant interim directions. Full stop. Hence, the issue before us is only whether the principal bench of the NGT correctly directed the appellants to now approach one of the committees set up by it rather than continue with the proceedings in the OA. Full stop. To understand this, we must first consider the role of such committees which are set up by courts and tribunals alike. Full stop. It is first important to differentiate expert committees which are set up by the courts or tribunals from those set up by the government in exercise of executive powers or under a particular statute full stop. The latter are set up due to their technical expertise in a given area and their reports are subject to judicially observed restraints open to judicial review before courts when decisions are taken solely based upon them full stop. The precedents of this court unanimously note that courts should be circumspect in rejecting the opinion of these committees unless they find their decision to be manifestly arbitrary or mala fide full stop. On the other hand, courts or tribunals themselves set up expert committees on occasion full stop. These committees are set up because the fact finding exercise in many matters can be complex, technical, and time consuming and may often require the committees to conduct field visits full stop. These committees are set up with specific terms of reference outlining their mandate and their reports have to conform to the mandate full stop. Once these committees submit their final reports to the court or tribunal, it is open to the parties to object to them, which is then adjudicated upon full stop. The role of these expert committees does not substitute the adjudicatory role of the court or tribunal full stop. The role of an expert committee appointed by an adjudicatory forum is only to assist it in the exercise of adjudicatory functions by providing them better data and factual clarity, which is also open to challenge by all concerned parties full stop, allowing for objections to be raised and considered makes the process fair and participatory for all stakeholders full stop. The NGT has in the present case abdicated its jurisdiction and entrusted judicial functions to an administrative expert committee full stop. An expert committee may be able to assist the NGT, for instance, by carrying out a fact finding exercise, but the adjudication has to be by the NGT full stop. This is not a delegable function full stop. Thus, the order impugned in the appeal cannot be sustained full stop. The consequence of the impugned order is to efface the meticulous exercise which was carried out by the earlier benches full stop. Valuable time has been lost in the meantime and crucial issues pertaining to the environment in the present case have been placed on the back burner.